All Securikey system padlock cabinets come supplied with 2 security keys. This high quality lock offers up to 2,000 differs, although other locking options are available, such as padlock hasp and mechanical combination locking. All padlock cabinets come supplied with adjustable hook bars for unique customization. To accommodate padlock storage, the hooks are longer and double spaced for easy storage. Securikey's ingenious key tab design ensures that the number always faces to the front for instant key and lock recognition. A controlling index card has been fitted as standard for instant key and lock identification, but for safety reasons is easily removable at night for storage within a secure location. Securikey offer cabinets from 24 hook all the way through to a cabinet that can accommodate 100 padlocks and keys, making this the ideal solution specifically designed for the storage of safety padlocks for switchgear and machinery switch isolation. All Securikey system cabinets are constructed from 1.5mm reinforced steel with a flush closing door to help resist physical attack. All Securikey padlock cabinets come in this durable light grey finish, which makes them suitable for any industrial application.